Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone with Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your WhatsApp application on your old phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three vertical dots. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. From the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Now, choose Chat Backup. In the backup settings, ensure that your Google account is linked. If it's not linked, tap on Account to add a Google account. Once you have linked your Google account, tap on Backup. This process will upload your chats and media to Google Drive. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take a few minutes. Now, take your new phone and install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. After installation, open WhatsApp and proceed with the setup. Enter the same phone number you used on your old phone. WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history from Google Drive. Tap Restore to start the restoration process. Wait for the restoration to finish. It may take some time depending on the size of your backup. Once the restoration is complete, tap Next to start using WhatsApp. Your chat should now appear on your new phone, ready for you to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.